Hi guys. So today we're going to be talking about how medical school is structured in Nigeria. We're going to be using my school as case study. Now, medical school here is supposed to last for 6 years, but due to some factors I explained in my other videos, you can last for up to 8 years, so please do watch that. Then you're supposed to have year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, year 6, that is 600 level, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 level. Yeah, so when you get into year 1, through whatever means, like I also explained in my other video, when you get to year 1 is known as pre-med. You're going to be taught, you're going to be carried along through some courses which include mathematics, English language, physics, biochemistry, physics, biology, and there's one other. I would write it up when I remember. So you're supposed to pass 2 with a minimum of C. So any course you fail, you can be dropped out at that stage too. Yeah, so you're expected to pass 2 with a minimum of C in each of those courses. Now 200 level for some is noted to be like the basis of medical school, but I feel year 1 is also very much important as well. So in your 200 level, you're going to be taught about anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. Yeah, so in anatomy you have gross anatomy, histology, embryology, all grouped into anatomy. So there too you're supposed to pass 2 with a minimum of C. Yes, now 200 level is like, it's like the backbone of medical school. Yes, because that's where you're being taught about the foundational courses that is going to take you throughout your entire stay in medical school. Yeah, so you're also supposed to pass the exams with a minimum of C. Now 200 level examination is known as first MBBS exam. So you now get to 300 level. 300 level, you're still going to be taught more, consolidated on whatever it is you're being taught on anatomy, biochemistry, and physiology. Yeah, so at 300 level you're now expected to write another examination called second MBBS. Now a lot of people get to fail out of medical school in 300 level. That is the second MBBS examinations. So you need to also, I've always said, top of your game, but like you should know at this stage that you're not coming there to joke. Exactly. So through 300 level, you're expected to build your knowledge on physiology, biochemistry, and anatomy. Yeah, so after you pass your second MBBS exam, you now go over to clinicals. Now clinicals include 400, 500, and 600 level. Now in your 400 level, you're supposed to do your M1 S1 postings. Both your M1 S1 and your M2 S2 postings can be done in 400 level. Now some schools tend to do their M1 S1 and M2 S2 at different stages of the clinical year, so it depends on your school peculiarity. Now in 400 level, you're now going to be taught on some courses which include pathology and pharmacology. Also supposed to pass that class. That class is now your third MBBS. Exactly. So after that, you now get into 500 level. Now 500 level for a lot of schools differ. In my school, we are being taught pediatrics, O&G, obstetrics and gynecology, and then community medicine. Now for some schools, they leave community medicine till their final year, but here in my school it's done in 500 level. So you're expected to do your projects in 500 level. That's your 4th MBBS. Your 600 level, now this is your final year class. You're supposed to now conclude your M3 S3 and then your M4 S4 postings. Yeah, and then still be taught medicine and surgery. That's where you do your medicine and surgery like as courses. Do you get? And then after that, you now get to sit for your final MBBS examination, and if you pass, yes, you now become a medical doctor. But mind you, the qualification for sitting for all of these examinations at whatever stage is 75% attendance. Now, a lot of people don't usually take this as being very important, but it's actually very important. If you don't come around, I wonder what you want to write in your examinations exactly. So it's actually a very vital part that you need to pay attention to your attendance. So guys, don't forget to like this video, like it now. Thank you. I'll catch you guys in the next one.